Hello everybody. Today I am going to explain the graphical method of solving a system of linear equations in two variables. It's a class 10 syllabus, okay, and it's a based on CBSE syllabus. So the chapter's name is linear equation in two variables. Okay, so we start with an example itself so that you clearly get an idea. So let's begin with an example. Now solve graphically the system of equations. There's a way the question will be asked. Let's take the first question. The equations are x plus y is equal to 3, 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. This is a system of equation. So this is the simplest form of the equation. So to solve this equation graphically, that is, we have to find the value of x and y. So we first create a table like this. Take the first equation, make a table. Write x here, y here. Okay. Now we put values of x or y, whichever we want. Suppose I write x is equal to 3 minus y. I take y this side, it becomes x is equal to 3 minus y. Now I start putting the value of y and calculate the corresponding value of x. Okay. So now see, put y is equal to 0. When I put y is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 3 minus 0, which is 3. Okay. So what is it? Y is 0, x is 3. Now let's put y is equal to 1. When you put y is equal to 1, we get x is equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2. So y is 1, x is 2. Now let's put y is equal to 2. When you put y is equal to 2, we get x is equal to 3 minus 2, that is 1. So y value is 2, x value is 1. So this is the set of three values for the first equation. Now we take the second equation and similarly make a table. So that second equation is 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. Make the table, write x, y, and put the value. So since it is in having a coefficient of x, so we write it as this is minus 2x. So take it this side, it becomes plus 2y. So 4 plus 2y divided by 3. This is the value of x it will be. Now we start putting the value of y. Put y is equal to 0. When I put y is equal to 0, what will happen? 4 plus 2 into 0 upon 3. Two zeros are 0. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 upon 3 is 1.3. So x value will be 1.3. So when I put here y is equal to 0, you will get x as 1.3. Now let's put y is equal to 1. When we put y is equal to 1, we get x is equal to 4 plus 2 into 1 upon 3. That is 2 ones are 2. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 upon 3 is 2. So x is 1, y is 1, x is 2. Let's put y is equal to 4. When you put y is equal to 4, you get 4 plus 2 into 4 upon 3. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12. So x value is 4. So when y is 4, x is also 4. Clear? So in this way, what we have to do is take the first equation, calculate the values of x and y. We will take any one value. So here in this case, I have taken the value of y as my choice and calculated the corresponding x values. In this case also, I have taken y of my choice. Y value, I have taken any value. I have taken 0, 1, 2, I have taken 0, 1, 4. You can take any number and calculate the corresponding x values. Okay. Now, after having drawn this, what we do, we take the graph sheet. This is your graph sheet. Okay. So now you have to prepare the graph sheet. So first what you to do, you have to draw the horizontal line, this is a horizontal line. What is this horizontal line called? It's called the x-axis. Yeah. Then draw a vertical line. What do you call this vertical line? Y-axis. So we have drawn x-axis and y-axis. Now, after drawing this x and y, we start this. You know that this side we have write positive numbers, this side negative numbers along the x-axis, and positive numbers on upper side and the negative below in the y-axis. So let us write the numbers now. 1, 2, 3, 4 x-axis, and y-axis will be this will be -1, -2, -3, -4. Along the y-axis, positive this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and negative below, -1, -2, -3, -4. Clear? So this is how we prepare the thing. Once this is over, next we take the first equation. X is sorry, y is 0, x is 3. X is 3, y is 0 means it is point should be here. So the first point should be here. Yeah. Then next, x is 2, y is 1. X is 2, y is 1. So the point should be here. X is 2, y is 1. Then this is x is 1, y is 2. X is 1, y is 2. It should be here. Clear? So we have got these 3 points. Let us join that. Once we join that, this is the graph of the equation x plus y is equal to 3. Okay. So this is the graph of the equation x plus y is equal to 3. So we write the equation on this line. So here x plus y is equal to, so this is the, to indicate that this is the graph of the equation x plus y is equal to 3. Now let us take the second graph. So y is 0, x is 1.3. Y is 0 means along the x-axis, and y point 1.3. So 1, 2, 3.2. So it should be here. That is here. X is 2, y is 1. X is 2, y is 1. This is the point here. Then x is 4, y is 4. X is 4, y is 4. It should be here. So here you got these 3 points. Join them. Join it. So this is the graph of the equation 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. Clear? So this is how we have drawn the graphs. Now to find them, because they have asked you to solve it. Solve means the solution of these two equations. The point where these two graphs, that is this line and this line intersect, this is the solution set. 2, x is 2, y is 1. So 2, 1 is the solution set. Okay, clear? You understood how to draw the graph? This is how we draw the graph of the equation. That is solving a system of equation by graphical method. So this was the simplest equation. So calculation was easy, everything is easy. Now let's go to the next question. Question will be say show graphically the system of equation. So show no, it should be solved. The mistake is second. This is the set of pair of equations. Okay. Now solution. Take the first equation, make a table, write x, y, then take the first equation. Now put y is equal to 0. Now instead of making it complicated, I just as it is, I am putting it. So 2x plus 4 into 0 is equal to 10. 4 zeros are 0. So it becomes, what will happen? 2x is equal to 10. So what will be? X is equal to 5. Clear? So that means when y is 0, you will get x is equal to 5. Put it here. X is equal to 5. Now take the next value, y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. So we get 2x is equal to 4. So 2x plus 4 into 1 is equal to 10. This will give you, this is 4 ones are 4. Take this side to become 2x is equal to 10 minus 4, that is 6. That is x is equal to 3. 2x is equal to 6. So x will be 3. Next. Okay. 1, 3. Well, let's put y is equal to 2. So 4 2s are 8 it is. 10 minus 8. 2x is equal to 10 minus 8 is 2. So that means x is equal to 1. So let's put the values 1. So this is, so you need not make it as I did in the previous question. As it is, you can simply put the values and simplify. Now let's take the second equation. Make the table, write x, y, and then put y is equal to 0. When we put y is equal to 0, so it is 3x plus 6 into 0 is equal to 12. 6 zeros are 0, so 3x is equal to 12. That is, x is equal to 4. That's what the values. 0, 4. Next, y is equal to 1. That is, 3x is plus 6 into 1 is equal to 12. That is, 3x is equal to 12 minus 6 is 6. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. So you'll get x is equal to 2. Let's take one more value. Well, let's put the value here first. 1, x is 2. Y is equal to 2. So 3x plus 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 6 to the 12. So what will happen? 12 minus 12 is 0. So 0 divided by 3 is 0. So x is equal to 0. When you put y is equal to 0, 2, you get x is equal to 0. Clear? Calculation? I think the calculation is pretty simple. Now let's take the graph sheet. Graph. Again, we draw the horizontal line here, which is the x-axis. Horizontal line, x-axis. Vertical line, y-axis. Okay? Then let's number it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 1, 2, 3, 4. Bottom minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1. Okay? Now, what is the first thing? X is 5, y is 0. X is 5, y is 0. It should be here. That's it. X is 3, y is 1. X is 3, y is 1. Here it. That's it. X is 1, y is 2. X is 1, y is 2 here. Let's join it. Which is this graph? It's the graph of equation 2x plus 4y is equal to 10. Now let's take the second one. 4, 0. X is 4, y is 0. So that means it is here. X is 2, y is 1. X is 2, y is 1. Correct? X is 0, y is 2. It is here. Let us join this. This is the graph of 3x plus 6y is equal to 12. So we have drawn this two. Now if you see, these two lines are parallel. Because these two lines are parallel, the system has no solution. So when the lines are parallel, it's a case of no solution. Actually, first case which was intersecting lines, okay, unique solution. This is the case where the lines, both the graph of the two equations are parallel to each other. Because they are parallel to each other, it's a system which has no solution. Because when do we say the system is having solution? When they are intersect each other. But since they are parallel, they will never intersect. When they don't intersect, there is no point common to both these graphs. Therefore, we say the system has no solution. Okay? It's a case of no solution. Clear? Now, let us go to a third case. The third case will be when the system has got infinitely many solutions. Let us see how is that. Let's go to the next. Okay. Show graphically that the system of equation has infinitely many solutions. Okay, this is a pair of equation solution. Take the first equation, draw the table. So this you can write it as y is equal to, because this is here, in this y is negative, so take it this side, it becomes positive, and 2 will come this side, it becomes, so y is equal to 3x minus 2. Now let's make the table x, y. Put the value x is equal to, then since here it is, I'm going to put x values. X is 0 I put. When I put x is equal to 0, 3 into 0 is 0. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. So you'll get y is equal to minus 2. You get 0 and minus 2. Well, next, put x is equal to 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 2 is, you get 3 minus 2 is equal to y is 1. So it is x is 1, y is 1. X is 1, y is 1. Next, x is 2. So it becomes y is equal to 3 into 2 minus 2. So what will get? 6 minus 2. What is it? 4. So when x is 2, you get y is 4. X is 2 here, y is 4. So this is the 3. So actually you have to calculate minimum 3 values. 2 values also will do. In case in examination you find that there is a shortage of time and you have to speed up, so you can end up with only just 2 values. 2 values will definitely give you straight line. Okay, 3 is better in case you are finding time running short of time when the examination hall. End with 2 points. You will be able to solve the system and you will get the correct answers. Now let's take the second equation. Okay. Now see how do I write this? 3y is equal to 9x minus 6. The graph. X is equal to 0 I am putting. When you put x is equal to 0, what you get? This becomes 0. So 0 minus 6 is minus 6. 3y is equal to minus 6. So y is equal to minus 2. So it will be x is 0, y is minus 2. X is 1. When you put x is equal to 1, 9 minus 1 are 9. 9 minus 6. 3y is equal to 9 minus 6 is 3. So what will happen? Y is equal to 1. When x is 1, y is also 1. Now put x is equal to 2. 9 2s are 18. 18. So it is 3y is equal to 18 minus 6 is 12. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. So y is 4. So what will happen? X is 2 here, y is 4. Clear? So this is, we have calculated the value. Now you see here, minus 2, 1, 4, minus 2, 1, 4, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. So what will happen to the graph? See, let us see what is happening to the graph. This is a graph sheet. X-axis, y-axis, number them. Okay, sheet is ready. Let's put 0 minus 2. X is 0, minus 2. It is here. 1, 1. X is 1, y is 1. It is here. 2, 4. X is 2, y is 4. Clear? Now, let us join this. So this is the graph of the equation, that is the first equation, that is 3x minus y is equal to 2. Now let us take the second. 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2. This is the point. 1, 1. 1, 1. 2, 4. 2, 4. Again, it is the same points. So you get one more graph with the same thing, and that is 9x minus 3y is equal to 6. Both the graphs are overlapping each other. That means every point on this graph is a solution of both the equations. This is, we have taken this point. This point is belonging to both the equations. Therefore, it's a solution of this. This is also a solution. This is also a solution. You take this point, it is a solution. It's a this point solution, this point, this point, this point. You can take here, 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 here. Any point you take on this line will be a solution to both, or will be a part of both this equation. Will be a solution to both the equation. Since every point means you'll have infinite number of points on this line. Therefore, we can say that the system has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Am I clear? So how will this? So first case we have taken with a unique solution where the lines were crossing each other and they were intersecting at only one point. So it was only one solution. The second case, both lines were parallel and there was no point common to it. So we say that it has got no solution. In the third case question, we have got both the lines overlapping each other, intersecting each other, and we say that it has got infinitely many solutions. That's it. I think if you are liking it, please, if you are like the way I am explaining the thing, please do click on the like button, subscribe for the thing so that you can benefit from the for other videos which I am making shortly. Also, please share it with your friends so that they can also benefit. So if you are able, and give your comments, how do you like the explanation and do you want anything else to be think so that I'll be able to improve upon it and give you whatever videos, whichever you what you want, uh, topics on which you want to be videos to be made, I can make them. Okay. Please do consider it and do share it and subscribe for the thing. Let's take another example. Question number 4. Use a graph paper. See, the question is asked. Use a single graph paper and draw the graph of the following equations and obtain the vertices of the triangle so formed. So since you know how to draw the graph, okay, so now they add little more something, that is obtain the vertices of the triangle so formed. Okay, so let us see how the equation is. 1, 2, 3 equations are there. Because they have said triangle is being formed, that means you know triangle has got 3 sides. So 3 equations. So let's take the first one. That is right, it has x is equal to 2y minus 8. Let's make the table. Put y is equal to 1. We'll get x is equal to 2 into 1 minus 8, that is 2 minus 8, that is minus 4. Sorry, minus 6. 2 minus 8 is minus 6. So let's put the value minus 6, y is 1. Y is equal to 2, so it will become 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 8. That is minus 4. Okay, I think it's pretty clear what I am doing. Calculations are also very simple. Minus 4, x is minus 4 and y is 2. Put y is equal to 3, x is equal to 2 into 3, 6, 6 minus 8. Y is equal to 6 minus 8, y is x is equal to minus 2. It is minus 2 here, and this is 3. First equation. Okay, we have calculated 3 values for the first equation. Let us take the second equation. Again, we make the table. We can write this as x is equal to 5y is equal to minus 14. I think this is pretty clear. It's a simple solving because you're a 10th standard student. X is negative, so you bring it this side becomes y. X is positive, and plus 14 becomes minus 14. So 5y minus 14 is the value of x. table, put y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 means 5 into 2 is 10. 10 minus 14. 10 minus 14 is minus 4. Put, okay, put the values in the table. See, it's a point. It is easy to, it is always make the table and put the values. It becomes easy for the correction person to correct it. And when he's correcting it, he just sees the table. He doesn't bother to see the calculation part of it. So that you make things easier so that he can see the others. If he has to do it, he has to find that. And in that case, he may deduct some marks or he gets irritated. So to avoid all that, always. Now let's take y is equal to 3. So we get x is equal to 5 into 3 minus 14. So that is 15 minus 14, that is 1. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 1. Put the value, x is 1, y is 3. Y is 4. 5 fours are 20. 20 minus 14. X equal to 20 minus 14 is 6. So x is equal to 6. So put here x is equal to 6, y is 4. Now here we have got a third equation also. So we have to further calculate. So y minus 2x is equal to 1. So we can write this as y is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay. Now put the values. Make the table first. X, y. Put x is equal to 0. So 2 zeros are 0 plus 1 is y is equal to 1. Yeah. Then 0, 1. X is 0, y is 1. Next, put x is equal to 1. So we get 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1. Y is equal to 2 plus 1, 3. So that is y is 3. Put the values on the table. X is 1, y is 3. Next, x is equal to 2. We get 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 1. Y is 5. To the table, 2, y is 5. So we have calculated the values, three values of all the three equations. Okay. So we need to see this. This is the first. These are the values for the first graph equation. This is the values for the second equation, and this is the value for the third equation. So let's take this thing. Now let's go to the next. The solution continued. This was the for the first. Second equation, this was the value. Third equation, this, and this was the value. Okay. So we have got all the three values here. Now let's draw the graph. Graph sheet. X value, x-axis. Y-axis. Now let's write the positive as it is. 3 over 6. Why I have taken 6? Because highest value of x is 6 here. Minus 6. Why? Now, first one. Minus 6, 1. Minus 6 and y is 1 positive. So it should be here. Clear? Minus 4, 2. Minus 4, 2. Should be here. Minus 2, 3. Minus 2, 3. Should be here. Clear? So these are the three values for the first equation. Let us join these three, write the equation on that. 3y minus x is equal. So this is the graph of the equation 3y minus x is equal to 8. Now let us take the second one. Minus 4, 2. Minus 4, 2. So it is here only. Then 1, 3. X is 1. Y is 3. It is here. So it was minus 4, 2, 1, 3. It is here. Okay. Then 6, 4, 6, 4 here. So this line here, this point, and this. So these are the 3 points. Let us join it. It's like this. So this is the graph of which equation? 5y minus x is equal to 14. Now let us take the third one. 0, 1. X is 0, y is 1. It should be here. X is 1, y is 3. X is 1, y is 3. It is here. X is 2, y is 5. X is 2, y is 5. It should be here. Let us join all these three. So this is the graph of which equation? Y minus 2x is equal to 1. Now you clearly see that there is a triangle formed here. This is a triangle. What did they ask? Draw the graph of the following equation. Obtain the vertices of the triangle so formed. You want the vertices. Where is the vertex? This is one vertex, second and third. So we want the vertices coordinates. The coordinates of the vertices. So let us write the first one, A. This is 1, 3. Clear? This is the vertex. Second, B. 2, 5. 2, 5. C. Minus 4, 2. So these are the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. Hope I am clear. Next. Solve graphically the system of equations, this and this. Also find the value of A if 4x plus 3y is equal to A. So here what I'm trying to do is trying to take all possible type of questions which can be asked in this graphical method. Okay. So that's why through the triangle formation, now find the value of A. So these are the various types of questions. I'm not just explaining the same method over and over again. So if you have noticed, the first one was a unique system with having unique solution. Second one was a system having no solution. Third one was a system having infinitely many solutions. Fourth question we dealt where three equations were given, a triangle was formed, and we had to calculate find the vertices of the triangle so formed. Now, this fifth question, we have a similar type. Two equations are given. We have to find the value of A. What is the value of A? It is 4 into x plus 3 into y. So that means first I must find the value of x and y using these two equations. And then substitute in this and calculate the value of A. Clear? So that is how we are going to do. X is equal to 6 minus 3y. Let's make the table x, y. Put y is equal to 0. Y is 0, this is 0, so x is equal to 6. Yeah, so here y is 0, x is 6. Y is 1. 6 minus 3 into 1 implies 6 minus 3, that is 3. So here 3 and this is 1. Next, y is equal to 2. So 6 minus 3 into 2, that is 6 minus 6. X is equal to 0. So let's put it here in our table. 0 and here it is 2. This is the second equation. You can write this as 12 plus 3y upon 2. This is minus, comes aside. Okay. Now put the values. Y is equal to 0 first. Why we take always 0, 1, 2? Because calculation will become easy. You don't get big numbers. Our numbers are simple, easy to calculate, and no big calculations and decimals, nothing. So that's why we always prefer to use 0. 0 means one term simply gets cancelled and we are left with only a single number. This simply goes off. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. So that is why we always go for this. That's why in all the questions which I have solved, I have always taken 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, so that calculation becomes easy. That is the basic idea. And we can take big numbers. Say I can take 7, 8, 12. Then the graph also you have to draw, take up to the bigger values. So everything becomes a little complicated. To avoid complication and make things as simple as it, so we always prefer to use 0, 1, 2. Okay. So we got x is equal to 6. X is 6 and what for y value? 0. Now let us take y is equal to minus 2. Always been taking positive numbers. Let's try with a negative number. So 12 plus 3 into minus 2. So it will become minus 6. So 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. X is 3. So x is 3 and y is minus 2. Next, x is equal to minus 4 empty. 3. 12 minus 12. 0 upon 2 is 0. X is 0. Y is minus 4. Okay. So let's solve the graph. Now graph as usual, x-axis, vertical line y-axis, number it, number it, number this, number this. Clear? There should be no confusion in this as per the graphical putting the numbers and all that. Positive, just take care where is positive, where is negative, positive, negative. Okay. I find some students suddenly making mistake, writing negative number this side, positive number this side. So that you take care. And as you know, this point is called the origin. Okay. 0, 0. X is 0, y is 0. This at this point. Now, x is 6, y is 0. X is 6, x is 6, y is 0 means it's on this point. X is 3, y is 1. X is 3, y is 1 here. X is 0, y is 2. X is 0, y is 2, it's here. Let us join it. This is the thing, join. This is what it is. It is a graph of this equation. X plus 3y is equal to 6. Now let us take this. X is 6, y is 0. X is 6, y is 0, the same point. X is 3, y is minus 2. X is 3, y is minus 2. It is here. X is 0, y is minus 4. X is 0, y is minus 4. It's here. Join. Now see this graph, how it is. Where are these? So this is the graph of which equation? This. Now if you see this, where are they intersecting at this point? That will be 6. X is 6, y is 0. So 6, 0 is the solution set of this. That means x value is 6, y value is 0. That is the solution set. Since the lines are intersecting, it is a system having unique solution. Because there is only one point where this two. This is the only point where it is. If you extend this line, it will go off, diverge off. If you extend this way, it will also diverge off. So it is a diverging lines. So there is only one point of intersection, and therefore we say it's a unique solution. Understand? Now, what I have to do next? We have found the value of x and y. We have to calculate this. So let's start. What is the thing? A is equal to 4x plus 3y. Let's put 4 into 6 plus 3 into 0. So A is equal to 6 4s are 24. 3 zeros are 0 it is. So value of A is 24. Am I clear? So that's it. So what happens usually? You forget to do this part. You draw the graph in a hurry and leave it off. And because of this, they'll cut some marks. So since it's easy, but still because you know you're in a hurry, you make it. That's why you underline it and keep so that you are sure that you don't forget it at the end of the. Next, determine graphically the vertices of a trapezium The equation whose sides are, there's some four equations. Also find its area. Now a trapezium is going to be formed on the graph sheet. Okay. Now see this, there are four equations. X is equal to 0 is an equation, y is equal to 0 is an equation, y is equal to 4 is the third equation, and 2x plus y is equal to 6 is the fourth equation. Now to find a trapezium, and we say that he says that a trapezium is going to be formed. So let us see. X is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 means what do you mean? X is equal to 0 means it is the y-axis. Listen, x is equal to 0 means this is the y-axis. So, but y-axis means how will I locate the point? So I draw the graph, I write x and y. Now x is 0, finish. The value of x does not change, it is fixed. So x is 0, 0, 0. X value is fixed, it does not change. What? So x value is fixed. Now what we do is y value we take of our own choice. You can take anything. I take 1, 2, 3. Clear? So x is equal to 0 is nothing but the y-axis. This you should remember. X is 0 means it is the y-axis. Now, if x is 0 is y-axis, and y is 0 must be the x-axis. So y is 0, y is 0 is the x-axis. Clear? Now now what is given? Y is 0. So 0, y is always 0. Y does not change. So put 0, 0, 0. And now x value you take as per your own choice. Take 1, 2, 3. Any value. Third equation, y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 is a line parallel to x-axis. Y is equal to 4 is a line parallel to x-axis. This is for information sake, okay? This you need not write also. Y is equal to 4 is a line parallel to x-axis. When you draw the graph, you will get a clear idea how it is. So let us make the table x, y. What is y? Y is 4. So let us write 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. And x value, let us take anything. Again, let us take 1, 2, 3, 3. Yeah. Now, we are left with one more equation, fourth equation, which is 2x plus y is equal to 6. Let us draw that. Y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Put x is equal to 1. When you put x is equal to 1 here, 6 minus 2 into 1, that is 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So x is 1, y is 4. Put x equal to 2. So 6 is minus 2 into 2. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Y is 2. So x is 2, y is 2. Next, x3. 6 minus 2 into 3. That is y is equal to 6 minus 6. Y is equal to 0. X is 3, y is 0. Okay. So we have calculated the three values for each of the four equations. Okay. Now let us take our graph sheet and see how the figure looks. This is a graph sheet. X-axis, vertical line, y-axis. Now first is 0, 1. X. So let us first put the values. Okay. 0, 1. X is 0, y is 1. Here it is. X is 0, y is 2. X is 0 here only. Y is 2. It is here. X is 0, y is 3. X is 0, y 3. So all these three are on this y-axis. That means to try to join this form, line, these 3 points, you will get this y-axis. That's why I have written x is 0 means it is the y-axis. It is nothing but the y-axis. Clear? So x is 0 means it is y-axis. Now I have written here, see, y is 0 is x-axis. Let us see. X is 1, y is 0. X is 1 and y is 0 means it is here. X is 2, x2, y0. X2, y0 it is here. X3 it is here. It is not, and this is which is this line y is equal to 0 and it is nothing but the x-axis. Clear? So this was x is equal to 0 is nothing but the y-axis. Y is equal to 0 is nothing but the x-axis. Clear? So from this, whatever you can remember what was there, we are getting it correctly. Now, this one, x is 1, y is 4. Y is equal to 4 is a line parallel to x-axis. This is the x-axis. It should be parallel to this, isn't it? Parallel. So let us see where this line. X is 1, y is 4. X is 1, y is 4. It should be here. X is 2, y is 4. X is 2, y is 4. So here. X is 3, y is 4. Join it. See, it's a line parallel to x-axis. It is a graph of equation y is equal to 4. Yeah. So this is your first graph. This is your second graph. And this is your third line, third graph. Now let us take the fourth equation, 1, 4. X is 1, y is 4. It is this point. X is 2, y is 2. It is here. X is 3, y is 0. It is here. X is 3, y is 0. So that means these 3 points. Let us join it. See. What is this? It is the graph of which equation? You should write actually. So after having written, now if you see here, this is your trapezium. What is that trapezium? What is the property of trapezium? It has got opposite sides parallel. One pair of opposite side is parallel. These two are parallel. So what is asked to do? Graphically, the vertices, determine graphically the vertices of the trapezium. That means you have to find the corners. This corner, this corner, this corner, this corner. So what is this? 1, 4 first. What is this? 0, 4. What is this? 0, 0. What is this? 3, 0. Clear? So we have found the vertices of the trapezium. Clear? Also find its area. What is the area? How do you find? Area of a trapezium is given by half into sum of the length of the parallel sides into height. Length of parallel sides. These are the two parallel sides. What is this length and what is this length? You have to add the two lengths. You see here, this is 1 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter. So it is 1 plus 3. And what is the height? Height is this perpendicular distance. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 centimeter. So 1 plus 3 into 4. 1 by 2 into 4 into 4. 1 by 16 is 8 centimeters square. So area of the trapezium is 8 centimeters square. Yeah. So this is the calculation formula. Sum of the parallel sides. That is the sum we write it as a plus b. So what is a and what is b? A are the two parallel sides. A plus b into h. That's how the formula is. Okay. Now let's take the next. Draw the graph. Obtain the equation vertices of the triangle so formed. This something. This is wrong. Sorry, is only solution of this equation. 2x minus 2y minus x is equal to 8. X is equal to 2y minus 8. Sorry. What is happening? Here, I'm just directly doing the calculation. I'm not showing you the calculation part. I'm just putting the values directly. This one, 2y. So it can be written as y is equal to 2x plus 1 and this values. Draw the graph. Hope you can calculate yourself, okay? Because I've showed you the calculation so many sums. Now I think you should be able to do it. Minus 6, 1. Minus 6, 1. Minus 4, 2. Minus 2, 3. Join. Write the equation. Next. Minus 4, 2. Minus 4. Minus 4, 2. It's here. Then 1, 3. It's here. Okay. Minus 4, 2 is this. 1, 3. 6, 4. 6, 4. It's here. Join these three. This is a graph of which equation? This. Okay. So this is the vertices of this. This is a vertex and this is a vertex. Now, determine graphically the vertex of the rectangle formed by the equation this and this with the coordinate axis. Also find its area. The 3y is equal to 15. Y is equal to 15 upon 3 is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 is a line parallel to x-axis. We'll draw this. Y is 5. Y value is fixed. 5, 5, 5. Put the value of 1, 2, 3. Y value is fixed. Just write 5 in all the um, blocks and just write any value of x as you please. Next is 2x is equal to 6. That is x is equal to 6 divided by 2 is 3. That means x is equal to 3 is a line parallel to y-axis. Put the values. 3, 3, 3 and take any value of y, whatever you want. 420. So these are the two lines. Find the value of draw graphically. Now you are with the coordinate axis. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. Okay. This is numbers. Numbering it. Number it. 1, 5. X is 1. Y is 5. It is here. X is 2, 5. Here. 3, 4, 5. It's here. Join it. The equation of y is equal to 5. So it's a line parallel to x-axis, clearly visible. Now, x is equal to 3. That is 3, 4. X is 3 and y is 4. Here. X is 3, y is 2. It's here. X is 3, y is 0. It's over here. Join these two. So these two lines have been drawn. So this is a graph of which, okay, these two lines have been drawn. Now, you see a rectangle, we have to, these two lines and the coordinate axis you have to take. So coordinate axis, these are the two x and y axis. So because if you take this x and y axis and these two lines, you get a rectangle here. So you have to find the coordinates of the uh, vertices of the rectangle. What is this? 0, 0, because this is the origin. Then this is 3, 0. This is 3, 5. And this is 5, 0. Sorry, 0, 5. Clear? So this is the coordinates of the vertices of the rectangle so formed. Clear? The area of rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is length into breadth. What is the length? 5 centimeters. What is the breadth? 1, 2, 3, 3 centimeters. 5 into 3, 15 centimeters square. Clear? Hope this is clear. Clear? So with this, all the types and have been taken. Suppose it's a with the coordinate axis. So you connect with the coordinate axis and see what figure is formed, and accordingly you have to write the coordinates. So if you have liked this, please give a like and share it with your friends, and do subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.